What's up, everyone? All right, well, today is day 31 of the small account challenge, and I'm up a little over $2,000, which is great. It's 12% gain in the account. Good progress. My daily goal right now, it's about $1,000. I mean, that's being a little optimistic, but I think it's doable, and I did it today. Well, doubled it today, which is great. So the account today grew from $16,000 to $18,000, which means now I'm a little less than $12,000 of the way to the $30,000 goal. 6 more days like today, I'm going to cross that line. So this is good, making progress. Today I traded 3 different stocks. We had some decent momentum. It was a little tricky because a lot of continuation on some FOMO from Friday. So FOMO Momo Friday on meme stocks, SPRT, ATEN, BBIG, and those were, or was it ATER? In any case, those were a little bit tricky, but I got green and shut it down. I did not overstay my welcome today. So although it's only a little past 10 a.m., hey, I'm up $2,000. Now I can enjoy the rest of the day, and it's August. Might as well enjoy summer. So I'm gonna get outside, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day, and I'm gonna be back at it tomorrow for day 30. What did I say? Today's day 30? So then tomorrow's day, today's 31. So tomorrow's day 32, I think. Oh, now I'm confused. Anyways, it's a green day, and that's what counts. So as always, in case you didn't already know, trading is risky. Most beginner traders lose money. So take it slow, one trade at a time in the simulator. Prove you have what it takes to be profitable in the sim before you trade with real money. And remember, as always, my results are not typical. I hope you enjoyed this recap. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, please, and I will see you tomorrow for day 32, I think it is. All right, see you tomorrow.
All right, everyone. So today is Monday morning. It's day 31 of the small account challenge, and I'm up $2,056.44, which means I've doubled my daily goal. My daily goal was 1,000. So that's terrific. I am very happy with that. The first stock I traded was BLIN. Now, maybe before I go over that, just looking at the gap scanner, today was a little tricky because we didn't have a really obvious gapper. Although I made the most on BBIG, which was our second leading gapper, I wasn't even sure that one was going to work. Sort of the problem was I didn't think we had a really obvious stock today. And that's partly because there was still a lot of attention focused on SPRT. Now, I traded SPRT in my main account and got green in it, so that was fine. But this one I knew wasn't really suitable for the small account, so didn't trade it. ATER was a bit of continuation from Friday. These sort of meme stocks that picked up on Friday. BBIG was the same. And, I finally went ahead and took a trade on it. And the trade that I took was the break of 924 right here at the opening bell. And we got a squeeze up to 10 bucks. That was pretty good. And then we had a false halt down at 848 and I bought it and it popped back up to 932. So those are my trades on BBIG. It came up again to 10. I was watching it but didn't take the trade. I was looking for it to break 10, and if it broke, then 1059 the pre-market highs. And then I was looking at the daily levels. All-time high on the stock is 1163, and then it's blue sky. No resistance above that because it's all-time highs. So, I was kind of interested, but unfortunately just wasn't able to do it, and now it's sold off quite a bit, and so I'm leaving it alone. All right, so that was BBIG, which was our second leading gapper. GSAT was the third leading gapper, but the float's 700 million shares. I was starting to get a little tempted on it because I was thinking about the fact that I could buy with my starting balance today of $16,000. I could actually take a pretty good sized position on it, like 5,000 plus shares. 10 cents is 500 bucks. But I left it alone, which was the right move. The float was a little too high on that. So then we had ATER, which I did take one trade on pre-market. And on that one, it was, where was it? I think it was right. Oh, sorry. It was off of ascending support. I actually bought a dip on it, which was a little aggressive, but right down here, a little over $9. Stop was the low, so I had a pretty tight stop, and we did get a nice curl back up here to 934, and then a break of that level up to 980. So that was a decent dip off ascending support, that yellow trend line. So we break those down in Chapter 4 of the Warrior Pro classes and Chapter 5. And then I had BLIN, which at the time was gapping up about 19%. It's since sold off. But this was one of the only ones that actually had news this morning. So I was like, all right, I'll give that a try. And I took a trade on it at 6. It squeezed up to a high of 634 before pulling back. Popped up a little at the open and then sold off again. So, got green on it, didn't overstay my welcome. And that was kind of the name of the game today, not overstaying my welcome. We're coming towards the end of the month. I want to be grateful that I'm green and, not kind of try to squeeze too much out of the month, given that August can tend to be a little bit on the slow side, and just being green is obviously nice. I see RNXT hitting the scanner. This is the one that I traded on Friday, and you get 2 halts in a row there, but no news. And it was on Friday, it was choppy. If you recall, it popped up and then halted coming back down. That was in this area here. So not easy. So not overstaying my welcome, got green, gonna stay green, $2,000 for day 31. Tomorrow, I'll be logging in with a little over 18,000 in the account. And now starting to close the gap towards my $30,000 goal, $12,000 until I cross it. So that would be 6 more days like today. So starting to get really close to that level. Ultimately the goal on any small account most likely is to turn it into $25,000. Then once you've got 25,000, you're able to trade more aggressively. Obviously, with a U.S. account, you can have margin. You might be able to feel more comfortable using it because you've grown the account as much as you already have. So I'm going to grow it to 30. I started with $4,300, so that'll give me about $25,000 in total profit, and I'll donate that to charity, and that'll put my charitable donations over $1 million. So I'm at 975,000 right now, approximately. So, all right, well, that's it for me. Green day for day 31, and I'll be back at it tomorrow for day 32.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.